Hello, my name is Doug Engler from Columbus, Ohio. Uh, I decided to take Drone Command live because I saw it on Facebook. Currently have a business called Night Bright Drones. We're getting into the drone show market with our partner company, Verge Aero. Um, my biggest takeaway from this was it was a great overall, like, 1,000 foot perspective of the whole business. It's giving me great opportunities and ideas to look at other verticals in this business in the drone industry. What was great about attending it virtually was, you can kind of just do it from home and continue to do a few things around the house. One of the days I was at work, I wish I could have focused a little more the first day. But I got most of the gist. The workbook was great that you guys sent. If somebody was sitting on the fence about taking this, if they're anywhat serious about getting into this industry, I'd highly recommend this course. I mean, it takes you from a beginner, or even pre-novice, to the steps on how to get your license and to get insured and all the right moves to start making some money with this business. One of the most valuable lessons I've learned with this is some of the hot buttons, how to sell better. Don't cut yourself short on what you have to offer. Like, photos cost more than what you think. Don't give everything away for free, but yeah, do the things they can't refuse. If I had to describe Damon and Diago, those two guys, wow, they're quite a treat though. Very entertaining. Kept the course going. It was really nice. I really liked the kind of aggressiveness of, you know, getting signed up, get your stuff, test your equipment, the prodding along to just make sure you attend and get there and do the right thing and learn. Um, Other than that, I'd highly recommend this to anybody that's even thinking about being in the industry. It was so informative, just with knowledge from FAA to just taking some basic shots and getting into the industry. Thanks a lot, Damon and Diego. Hopefully, I see you down the line here.